love you.
I love you too.
Hey, Rick. Wow, you moved on awfully quickly, huh?
My new girlfriend doesn't care about my snoring.
It opens up the airways so you can breathe easier. You just pop it in. No more snoring. Love you, love you, love you, love you. Wow. I hope your true love has a warranty. Love you, love you, love you.